Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming access. Make sure you have a Sharepoint online URL and at least read permission. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and sign in with your organization account so authentication flows smoothly. Next, decide if you need a Sharepoint folder feed for files or the Sharepoint Online List connector for list content. That choice determines connectors and query steps. Finally, select Get Data and choose the corresponding Sharepoint connector to begin pulling content into Power BI. You'll now connect and transform. Paste the Sharepoint site URL into the connector and authenticate with your organizational account so tokens are issued. This prevents later refresh failures. Once connected, use Power Query to filter rows, expand records, and promote headers. This is where you reduce payload and enforce data types. If combining files, use the Combine Files function. If using lists, remove system columns and parse JSON or HTML fields. Make sure to preview and validate results. You finish by applying changes, building visuals, and saving the PBIX file. Then publish to Power BI service under the desired workspace. Once published, go to Dataset Settings to configure credentials and scheduled refresh. Use the same organizational authentication or a gateway if on-prem. If a refresh fails, check 4 things: permissions on the Sharepoint site, whether you use the correct site URL, the connector type you chose, and gateway status. Adjust permissions or re-authenticate, then run a manual refresh to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.